The world of robotics is evolving at a staggering pace, reaching a point where machines are becoming nearly indistinguishable from humans. Today, we explore the most advanced, hyper-realistic female robots from across the globe, designed for everything from companionship and entertainment to healthcare and customer service. We begin in Japan, a country leading the android revolution. Robots like Anne are redefining human interaction with incredibly smooth movements and lifelike skin, working as interactive guides in public spaces. Then there's Asuna, whose appearance is so realistic that people often mistake her for a real human. And perhaps the most advanced, Erica, created by Hiroshi Ishiguro. She can understand natural language, blink naturally, and move with astonishing human precision. In the United States, robots are becoming companions. Arya, developed by Robotics, is powered by advanced AI that allows her to hold deep conversations, learn user preferences, and even adapt her personality. Another example is Maria Bot, a social AI ambassador capable of processing information from books and the internet, making her conversations feel intelligent and dynamic. In China, companies like XDoll are scaling this technology for real-world impact. Their robots, such as Xiao Yi, are designed for companionship and elderly care, capable of voice recognition and internet connectivity, almost like a physical version of a smart assistant. Robots are no longer limited to labs. They're entering the workforce. In Russia, Dunyasha works as a robotic cashier, capable of facial recognition and over 600 micro-expressions, making interactions feel surprisingly human. Meanwhile, in Saudi Arabia, Sarah represents a cultural breakthrough. Designed to follow local traditions, she communicates in both Arabic and English with a polite and respectful personality. In healthcare, robots like Grace are transforming patient care. She can monitor vital signs using thermal sensors and provide emotional support through conversation, especially for elderly patients. In education, Bina 48 is pushing boundaries by teaching ethics and philosophy at a military academy, engaging students in deep and complex discussions. Even entertainment is evolving. Desdemona, an AI musician, performs poetry and music like a human artist. And in Turkey, Apra is already appearing in films as a digital human actress. As we look at these incredible creations, from the silicone-skinned models of Real Lady to the complex internal structures of DS Doll, it is clear that the gap between human and machine is closing. These robots are not just tools, they are becoming part of our social fabric, challenging our perception of what it means to be human.